Hello and welcome to our SuperPhone Tutorial Series. Here, we'll run you through the different features and functionalities in the app to help you navigate throughout your account. So let's start. After you log in, you'll be redirected to the Conversations page. Here, you will see all of the current conversations you're managing. Profile photos that are shaped like a hexagon are your VIP contacts. Conversations with a gold ring around them are contacts with Never Lose Touch activated. We'll talk a little bit about those later. Now let's head over to the Contacts page. Tap the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen. The label in the tab bar will turn gold. Here, all of your contacts will be displayed and will show the associated tags connected to them if assigned any. Next is the Insights tab. On the first page, it displays the number of contacts in your phone book plus number of people you've met this week, last week, this month, and last month. When you swipe to the left, it displays the quantity of products that were purchased from your store in the same time intervals. The last page displays the amount of revenue you've generated in total. The last tab is your Settings page. This is where you can make all necessary adjustments to your account. You can import contacts that are hosted on your device. Set and edit auto responses and voicemail. Edit billing information. Handle notifications and badges. And manage your call forwarding settings. That is the basic navigation around the app.